Exercise 1.1 10th sum. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is on the first step. The water level is at the 9th step, means the water level is here. First question, he jumps 3 steps down. Suppose the monkey is here. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So let's count each jump. So he jumps 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. So very first jump he will reach at 4. But we have to count only jumps. So 1, 2, 3. First jump. Then again he get back 2 steps. 1, 2. But this jump we will count. We have to count. Now after 2 jumps, the position of monkey is here. Again 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So one more jump. Then from here again 2 steps. 1, 2. So now the monkey is on this stage. So total jumps 4. Again 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 2 steps back. 1, 2. So now the position of monkey is here. 2 steps. Now again 1, 2, 3. One, 2. New stage of monkey is here. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This is the new stage. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from 7 when he will jump 1, 2, 3. Sorry, from 6 he will jump 1, 2, 3. So as soon as he will reach the 9th, there is a water level. So only +1. He will not get back. So total number of jumps will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is for first. For second sum, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top? Means here again the real position of monkey. So 4 steps he will jump. So now the present position of monkey is here. 4 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 jump. But again he 2 steps down. So from 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 steps down. So 1, 2. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 steps down. 1, 2. 1 upside, 1 downside. So real position is 5. Now again 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he will reach here. So plus 1. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps 4 seconds. Let's take the third question. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers, and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following: -3, +2, and so on. So here we have 11 jumps. One jump for -3 and the next one is for +2. So let's represent first one for -3, second one for +2, and so on. So -3, +2, -3, +2, -3, +2, -3, +2, -3, +2, -3. So let's represent. So very first -3, +2, -3, +2, -3, +2, -3, +2, -3, +2, -3. So we know that with negative signs, all the threes are with negative signs. So addition. So -3. So 3 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Plus 2 comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So the answer is here one number, the very first 18 is negative, whereas this 10 is positive. So both have a opposite sign. So subtraction with greater number sign. So here greater number is 18. So our answer will be -8. Let's solve for the second also. In second question, 4 jumps up, 4 steps up and 2 down. So 4 minus 2. So total 5 jumps. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4. So 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. So here 4 comes 3 times. All the 4s are positive. So 3 times 4 3s are 12. 2 comes 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. In this A we got a negative answer, whereas in B we got a positive answer. So here negative 8 indicates downwards, whereas positive 8 indicates upwards.